Now I'm going to move on from the cardboard. You can carry on in the cardboard, but I'm just going to move on to balsa wood because it has a slightly different quality when we're making the knife. Okay, I'm going to cut this out as I did with the card. You can buy the balsa wood next door in the shop. Got a few scraps here. If you're quick, you can grab it and use that. Next week we'll have some PVC sheet for you, some low density PVC sheet, which is actually very good for these knives. It's soft enough to cut, but it's rigid enough to be sanded. Okay, so there's the knife shape again. Now, pass me my other. There's another. Got it. Okay. So with this, I'm just going to, before I cut, put the blade, the handle on. I'm just going to mark out, so you can draw on models as well. Mark out where the blade goes, where the blade's going to end. I'm going to do the same on the other side. What I can do now, just rest this on the edge of the table. I'm going to get a smoother one of these. Is actually sharpen it. The camera's not picking that up, but sharpen it. So we can get a lot more realistic with the blade now. Okay, it's actually got an edge to it, and I can then start to get this little detail in here, which you find in a lot of knives, which is that where the blade ends short. So you've got that kind of protective bit there. Okay, I'm going to keep that line there because it's just helping with the detail. Okay, the other thing we were looking at were these little useful little grips. Okay, just get my file out. Grip there. Okay, now what I've done with the foam this time is I've cut it, I've cut this a bit thinner already. this on, you can actually slice bits off the side to get the bone the right thickness. And the other thing is, with the double-sided tape, the more of this you get on, the better. Okay, so you've all done this already with your models. So we're back to this familiar position. Now, a lot of you, when you're sculpting the blade, sculpting the handle, are, do this very carefully because it's one slip and I can actually chop the blade off. Okay, when you're sculpting the handle, you're kind of maybe hacking into it a bit too hard, or you're just not letting the blade do the work. Make a sawing action here. Very careful with the last bit. There we are. Okay, so I've got that cut off. So as I'm starting working into this knife, so I'm making a sawing action. I slice the bone off. Keeping my fingers well away.